I am going to make mushroom stuffing. So what I did is you just take off the stem and then just wipe it with your paper towel. So I already did the brown mushroom. I'll be using spinach here. And then you just slice it dice. You just slice your spinach for our mushroom toppings, just like this. After we slice our spinach, we can put our cream cheese here. And then we'll add salt, very little salt, and pepper. And then we can add maybe a little bit of garlic. Then we just mix it. This is how it looks after mixing all our ingredients. There's spinach, cream cheese, salt and pepper, and garlic. We are going to make our stuffing na, our mushroom stuffing. So you just put our stuffing inside. You just dip some Parmesan cheese. There you go. Maybe we can add a little bit. There you go. And then do the rest. So this is the finished product of our mushroom stuffing. So we will just put it in the air fryer for 10 to 12 minutes at 275 degrees. After 12 minutes, our stuffed mushroom is ready. I'm going to make the Brie cheese. So this is the biggest cheese I found at the store, and we need our pistachios, palms here, and honey. So first we'll have to put it in our baking dish. Wow, look, nice. After that, you'll just have to cut it up here. It doesn't matter, like this. There. So just move it in the middle, just like that. Just cut a little bit on top. And then we will just bake this for 12 minutes. Then after that, we can add our ingredients there.
A few moments later.
Little bit of honey on top. There. And we can add our, what's this? Pomegranate? Pomegranate?
Yeah.
Yes. There, like this. And if somebody doesn't like it, it's still okay. You can take it off. And let's add a little bit of pistachio. There you go. Ready to eat. This is the stuffed mushroom and our baked sushi. We have spaghetti. We have Caesar salad. We have our bread and Brie cheese and steak. Okay, enjoy the meat.